Alright.
Who's that? Who's that, Keegan?
Benway.
Looks like Benway. It's Benway's daughter. No, sorry, sister.
No.
Oh, okay.
Benway.
Yeah, is you Tom? Or...
Benway.
30.
Ba...
30. Yeah, 30. 30.
It's not Bus Tom.
She's shooting number 10. Got the balloon, Keegan, with the balloon. Oh my God, look at Keegan.
Where's the balloon here?
I don't know. Is that you, Santa Claus? It's a Christmas tree book. Next to the Christmas tree. Christmas book.
Let's go see what kind of a job you guys did. Wow, so shiny. That's the sunglasses Keegan was talking about.
You can decorate a bottom one.
Wow, that does look great. Good job.
Of course. Huh.
This time.
What?
The heck is that thing? Keegan must have put that on. Superman's facing the wrong. Wait, what's Superman doing to Harry Potter? Alright, say Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Thank you. Bye.
Mama.